RNNs can handle sequences, but they forget too quickly. Brain cross mark. That's because of the vanishing gradient problem. That's why we need LSTMs, long short-term memory networks. Regular RNNs struggle with long sequences because of the vanishing gradient problem. LSTMs fix this with a memory cell that holds on to information for longer. Inside an LSTM cell, there are 3 main gates. Forget gate trash bin animation, removing irrelevant notes. Input gate, new notes entering a diary. Output gate, selected notes passed to the next block. Let's see a quick demo using Keras. Where do we use LSTMs? Everywhere. Memory is important. Language translation, text generation, speech recognition, stock prediction. LSTMs give AI a true sense of memory. Tomorrow we'll explore GRUs, gated recurrent units.